In the heart of the wild, one of the most pressing concerns is finding safe water. Expert wilderness instructor Alex demonstrates an ingenious method using simple natural resources for water preservation and purification. By collecting rainwater with large leaves and funneling it through a hollowed-out bamboo stem, he shows how nature itself equips us with ingenious tools. This technique not only preserves water, but can also filter impurities when charcoal and sand are packed in the bamboo, as Alex skillfully shows. This survival tactic is paramount in environments where fresh water isn't readily available, inspiring adventurers to harness Mother Nature's resources for life-saving hydration.